Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you guys how to create this gorgeous French nail art, and this is not just a French nail art, this is a hollow French nail art. But before that, if you're new to my channel, then welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. So let's get started. So at first I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this tinted nail polish by Brown Pretty. Now I've already used this nail polish on my last video, which was a 3D Opal effect droplet nail art. So if you guys haven't watched it yet, then make sure you watch it after this video by clicking on the I button, or there will be a link in the description box. So this tinted nail polish is from the Dreamy Heaven series, and there are total 4 shades in this series. And the one which I'm using is Unfold Dreams, and its code is DH01. Now this tinted nail polish will give a pinkish tone to the nail bed, which will look good for the French design. Now once the base is dry, I'm going to be using this holographic nail polish, and it is from the series HOLO Me Good by nailart. nailart is an Indian brand who launches the first ever holographic nail polish in India. There are total 6 shades in this series, and the one which I am using is Mauve It. Now I'm using the brush of the nail polish to apply it just at the tip of the nails. Now if your nails are short, then the portion will be short. As my nails are long, the portion is long. Now if you can't make the round shape with the nail polish brush, then you can use nail vinyls to do so. Now I've already started doing swatches of this holographic nail polish from this series, so if you guys are interested, then please check out my Instagram account. The link of my Instagram account is in the description box, and also I will upload the live swatch video in the YouTube channel, so please subscribe. Now once this nail polish is dry, I'm going to be using this black acrylic paint to create the pattern. Now there is no name for this pattern, I just randomly draw it and it end up good. So that's it. It is almost like branches from a tree. So just follow what I am doing if you want to create exactly the same thing which I did. By the way, if you guys ever recreate my nail art, please tag me your picture on Instagram or on my Facebook page, and don't forget to use my hashtag nailstaraura. Next, I'm using this mermaid beads on all my nails, and I will use a top coat to stick it. And finally add the top coat to seal the design, and this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to check the description of this video for the direct link of the products which I've used in this video, and also there will be link of all my social medias. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.